These are my favorite bone conduction headphones for desktop computers. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked these up. This is actually not my first set of Ella Sound bone conduction headphones. I wanted to show these to you. You might like bone conduction for running, jogging, being outdoors, and having your ear canals open to the outside ambient noise. But you might be saying, well, Pete, why do you need bone conduction at your desk? And one of the reasons is maybe you just want to be able to hear if someone walks by your office or calls your name or your phone rings and those types of things. So bone conduction headphones can be great for being indoors too. Now, one of the things about bone conduction headphones is that most of them are battery powered because most of them are wireless, and they require a decent amount of power because of this little vibrating pad right here. This is where it connects to your head and vibrates on your cheekbones and produces that sound. And you can see this one has a 4-pole 3.5 millimeter plug right on the end there, little clip here to clip onto your shirt as well, kind of a flat ribbon and wire to it. Now, when you get a wired set of headphones, most of these will have some sort of inline battery pack. And that's because of the energy draw that they require. Now, what I want to show you here is that if we go all the way up here, we do have a little inline controller, a little microphone, as well as a little mode button here, presumably for play, pause, answer, or hang up on a phone call. But if we get all the way up to the headphones, no inline battery pack. And that's what I really love about these, is that I can put these on, plug it into my computer, and I don't have to worry about this battery dying, having to recharge it, jumping on a meeting, jumping on a web call, and not having them charged up. So that's why I really like these. This one is orange. They're also available in black, but it's very sporty. They sound great. And in fact, I have a bunch of bone conduction wireless headphones that are powered, and these sound every bit as good. I'm not sure how that gets enough power through the 3.5 millimeter jack here to power these, but it does. And in fact, these replaced another set of headphones that had that inline battery pack, and these don't sound any worse. They don't sound any better, but they do as good of a job as my previous set of headphones, and I don't have to constantly charge those things up. So if you want a set of bone conduction headphones, maybe for your desktop computer, maybe for a laptop, while you're on the road, because you like having the open ears, because you like being able to observe the things around you, then I would definitely pick these up. They're not that expensive, and you don't have to worry about charging them. If that's going to make your working, playing, and life a little easier, I'll put a link to these in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever face.